Keto-alicious. Today is day 30. I did it. I finally did it. I did 30 days of keto. I'm not stopping. I'm just letting you know that I did get to my 30-day goal, my motivational goal, and I'm really excited about it. Today, I'm going to measure in front of you guys. And I measured the first day I started keto 30 days ago. And today I put on some tight clothes because normally I measure without any clothes, and I wanted to make sure that it was pretty accurate. You know, you just want to make sure. So I'm going to grab this here, you guys, and I'm going to do my measurements, and I'll show you how I do my measurements, which everybody does them differently, but I do them around my neck. And so I have to look at this to see where I am. So I can put it right there. All right, so I didn't lose anything in my neck. I stayed at the 14. So next I'm going to do my shoulders. And the way I do that is I take the tape measure and I just go over my shoulders here. Kind of, around your shoulders. And it's harder when you're doing this video, but so I just grab it, get it around my shoulders. Okay, and I stayed the same on my shoulders. So then I do across my chest. My little guy's twisted up here. So I just go across the chest there. And I am down 1/2 of an inch in my chest. And then I go under my chest, right there. I don't remember exactly. I'm trying to remember where I measured before. There we go. Okay. And I'm down 1/2 of an inch under my chest. My waist, right across the belly button. Woo! So I lost 3.5 inches around my waist. Oh my gosh, that's a celebration in itself. 3.5 inches. That is amazing. Okay, so I need to take it around this area, around across my bum. And I stayed the same there. And then I do around my upper thighs. So I'm gonna stand back a little bit and show you where I do mine. Oh, you know what? I had it wrong. Let me do that again. Okay. So I lost 1/2 of an inch on my upper thighs. And then on my lower thighs, I take this and I just go in between, halfway between my knees and my upper thighs. 95. I wonder if I measured that in a different spot. Let me try that again because it's not jiving as far as the numbers. Oh, I broke it. Oh well, I can still use it. Okay, so I stayed exactly the same there. My arms, I do my arms right dab in the middle, because I think that's the area that, you know, you can see that area there. And woo! Oh my gosh, I better do that again because that's showing that I've lost. Holy cow, I lost an inch in my arms. 1 inch. Okay, I better write down. Okay, and then I do one of my calves. So I just take it right here on my calf and measure. And that one is, I lost 1.5 inches in my calves. Holy wow. I'm sorry guys, but I'm really excited here because honestly, I didn't know if I was gonna lose anything. So I'm gonna add this up. Let's see. So I have lost 1/2 inch in my chest, 1/2 inch under my chest, 3.5 inches off my waist. This has been the biggest thing, and this is the thing that I noticed the most is right here, which that's the part that I think we all want to go away. It makes your clothes looser, not when you have tight clothes like this, but it makes your clothes looser. And then I lost 1/2 inch in my upper thighs. I lost 1 full inch in my arms. Wow. I lost 1.5 inches in my calves. So let me add this all up. 5, 6, 7. 7.5 inches I've lost in 1 month. 10 pounds and 7.5 inches. So let me just share with you, that's how many inches I've lost off of my body in 1 month, and 10 pounds. Now, even if I would have lost maybe 1 pound and 7.5 inches, that is all the more reason to talk about why that scale doesn't give you that true number, but how the true number can be your measurements. So you have to measure, because if you don't measure, you don't have numbers. And those numbers are so important, guys. So, you know, it's a journey. You have to take this as a journey. You have to enjoy the journey. If you don't enjoy the journey and you're just trying to get to the end of it so you can cheat or go back to the way of life, that's not going to help you. So my motivation for you today is I did this for 30 days live with you guys. You heard and saw the things that I've been eating and drinking. You watched me exercise. You've watched me give motivational tips. You have been with me every step of the way. That is, to me, that is just so amazing that you guys have followed me through this 30-day journey. And I'm not going to stop. I'm going to continue on. but this is what can happen. And so I'm going to continue with this. I'm going to continue weekly weigh-ins with you guys. I'm going to continue monthly with my photos, my monthly photo and my monthly weigh-in. And I'm going to do it just like this because I think it's important for you to see this live, because this can happen for you. So I'm so excited about this, you guys. I'm going to celebrate, and I may celebrate. When I say celebrate, I'm still going to stay in my keto, but I am going to maybe have a glass of wine on myself, and my husband may take me out to dinner. I'll be keto friendly, but I am going to celebrate because this is a huge accomplishment for my first month, and I'm so excited. And, you know, if I must say so out loud, I'm so proud of myself because I've stayed motivated. I've stayed positive. I've been true to myself. I've told my family no a couple of times because it wasn't things that I could find anything on. And I have been really, really powerful in that I have taken the initiative to stay in charge, even though there were times when I didn't want to cook or I didn't want to think about it. I just wanted to do something easy. Don't take the easy way out. Work at your body. Work at your measurements. Take your pictures, guys, because this is what can happen. And everybody is different, so don't use your losses or gains against mine, because everybody's body is different. Some people are going to lose more than I did. Some people are going to lose a lot less. Some people are not going to lose any inches. Some people are not exercising. Some people have whole different body types. So this is just my journey, but I'm giving you the tools and the techniques that you can use to make your journey successful as well. So I love you guys. I'm so thankful that you were here with me today to see my news that I have lost 7.5 inches and 10 pounds in 1 month. And I will be cooking during the week. You'll be seeing lots more videos of me. And every Monday, Motivational Monday, Weigh-In Monday, Eat With Me Monday, Gravitate With Me Monday, whatever you want to call it, I will be doing the weigh-ins and keeping you up to date. And stay with me, guys. I love you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And if you haven't clicked the bell above, make sure and do it. Don't miss any of my videos. Come and hang out with me. I love all you guys. Have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.